Welcome. Today, we're diving into the importance of Google Analytics for your Canva website, helping you track performance and improve your online presence. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into your website's traffic, user behavior, and performance metrics. Let's get started by creating your Google Analytics account. Simply visit the Google Analytics site and follow the sign-up process. Once you have your account, it's time to add a data stream for your Canva website. Click on Admin and select Data Streams. Now, locate your Google Analytics tracking ID, which you'll use to connect your website to Analytics. Next, access your Canva account. Click on your website settings to prepare for the integration. Integrate your Google Analytics tracking ID into your Canva website settings to start tracking visits. To verify that everything is set up properly, you'll want to check that Google Analytics is receiving data from your site. Now that you're tracking, let's discuss tips on interpreting your Google Analytics data to gain better insights. In conclusion, make sure you regularly check your analytics to optimize your website performance moving forward.